We come to an ideal.logic. Customers saying it's vibrating really loudly when the heating's been on for about 20 minutes or so. We've just turned up, we've had the heating on, everything's working fine, and when you run the hot tap, the boiler fires up and doesn't make any noises. But what I found is, you stick it to service mode and put it into low fire, it will start vibrating like mad, which normally indicates the gas valve's faulty. There you go. So if it does it in low mode, it's normally the gas valve that's faulty.